Each Wakanda application has certain elements that are consistent. We will do an overview of what makes up a Wakanda solution and project. When working in Wakanda Studio, projects are organized into solutions. Here we have a solution named Company Apps with 3 projects called CRM, Employee Directory, and Inventory. A solution has a settings, permissions, and directory file. The settings file allows you to change some aspects of your solution, such as the authentication type and cache preferences. The directory is where your users and groups are stored. All projects in your solution utilize the same directory for permissions based on users and groups. This allows you to provide access to all of your organization's applications from one common directory. The folders in the Solution Explorer are expandable. Employee Directory has a default project setup. CRM has a basic file structure after deployment. We will go through some key elements. First, the data store model. You can also access this through the toolbar. You can edit data store classes, entities, and permissions on the data store model. Wakanda has a model-driven architecture, so this is a key area to master. The model JavaScript file is where model-related code is stored when in guided mode. Data store class methods, event scripts, entity events, and calculated attributes are all coded in this file. Next, you have a permissions file. This is typically generated for you through the data store model. Next, you have project-specific settings to set preferences ranging from port number and host name to web server services. The data folder contains your data store data, as well as images uploaded to the server from a client. The web folder contains all of your files for the interface that will be accessible through the HTTP server. Interface pages, CSS style sheets, JavaScript files, and web components are all aspects of a Wakanda web application that you will learn to utilize. Wakanda Studio provides you excellent tools for keeping your project organized and consistent.